on the Fantasy in stateroom 6680. This stateroom sleeps 3, and it is a split bathroom, as they all are, with a tub and lots of storage space. A veranda here. We are on the aft of the ship. Good sized veranda. Nice vanity. And there's no pull down there, which is why this stateroom sleeps 3. But that's it. Lots of space for the next few days.